Draw and correct.
Hello guys, today I'm going to color Babybus Panda Meow Meow, and let's learn about food and drink. Let's start.
Pizza. Pizza. I eat pizza. Pizza is delicious. Salad. Salad. I eat salad. Delicious salads. Healthy salads. Croissant and cookie. Croissant and cookie. Do you like a croissant or a cookie? I like a cookie. Hamburger. Hamburger. Hamburgers are delicious, but don't eat too much. It is not good for your health.
Lemonade. Lemonade.
Such a cool summer drink. Sausage and egg. Sausage and egg. I like to eat both. Toast with butter. Toast with butter. Very crispy and delicious. Cereal. Cereal. I eat cereals for breakfast. Ketchup. Ketchup. I eat French fries with ketchup.
Give a dog a bone, this old